Will graphene take over the future? Who knows? Let's find out. Number 1. Fuel from the air. The same researchers who won the Nobel Prize for isolating graphene, Andre Geim of Manchester University and colleagues, have shown that graphene could be used to make mobile electric generators powered by hydrogen extracted from the air. Geim's team discovered that although graphene is impermeable to even the smallest of atoms, it can be used to sieve hydrogen atoms that are stripped of their electrons. Number 2. Drinkable ocean water. Wait, what? Can ocean water be drinkable? Of course. Graphene could help solve the world water crisis. Membranes made from graphene can be big enough to let water through, but small enough to filter out the salt. In other words, graphene could revolutionize desalination technology. Well, that's kinda cool, right? Number 3. A world without rust. Yay! Now you don't need to worry about your metals being rusted. Because graphene is virtually impermeable, a coat of graphene-based paint could one day be used to eradicate corrosion and rust. Researchers have even shown that glassware or copper plates covered with graphene paint can be used as containers for strongly corrosive acids. Number 4. Glowing wallpaper. Glowing walls could soon replace the light bulb, thanks to the development of new graphene-based electrode technology that makes displays thinner than ever before. Such glowing wallpaper provides more pleasant, adjustable light across a room than light bulbs can, and it can also be made more energy efficient. And, let's face it, few things seem more futuristic than illuminated Tron-like walls. Number 5. Bulletproof armor. Given how thin and strong graphene is, it seems inevitable that it should also be used to build improved bulletproof vests. Sure enough, researchers have found that sheets of graphene absorb twice as much impact as Kevlar, the material commonly used in bulletproof vests. Also an improvement over Kevlar, graphene is super lightweight and therefore less restricted to wear. The breakthrough could help keep our soldiers and law enforcement officers safe when being fired at. The thin nature of graphene could even lead to developments in other bulletproof surfaces, such as windows. That's all for now. I know there are a lot of other features graphene has, but I have shown you the best ones. Hope you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe.